Hello people, welcome to this new event of Cloudways. So it's gonna be a really exciting event. Ready to master WordPress speed and performance for the upcoming sales season? Join us at Cloudways Pre-Penton 2024 from the 10th of September to the 12th. It will be an amazing event and learn how to optimize your site for peak traffic. We will keep covering tips for boosting speed and chasing security and improving UX. So it's really useful to go to the event. Don't let your website cost you a lot of time, so it will cost your customers. So sign up and I will see you soon.